As she sneezed, it ruptured a disc in her spine, and when it collapsed, a nerve got trapped between her two vertebrae. Suddenly, she couldn't move, and even though she had 3 separate operations, she still suffered extreme pain. For the next 2 years, she was bedridden, needing painkillers so strong she would hallucinate. But finally, doctors inserted a plastic key throughout her spine, relieving pressure on the pinched nerve. And within a week, she was walking again and holding in her sneezes.